There's a particular styling trick that's all over the streets of London, Paris and New York at the moment, and it instantly perfects a look, turning it from okay to really stylish, which is what we do on this channel, isn't it? So what is it? It's all coming up in this video. Hello, I'm your friend Deirdre and a big welcome back to my channel, the channel for ladies over 50, and I hope you're doing really well. Now today I'm giving you an injection of upbeat style inspiration to put a spring in your step and joy into getting dressed. This styling trick that I'm sharing with you is the perfect way to smoothly go from one season to another uber stylishly. So what is this little technique? It's quite simple really. Wearing a coloured knitted sweater over your shoulders. And before you say, oh Deirdre, that's an old one, you know, don't dismiss it because actually it is definitely still on trend. And it creates such easy style that it's pretty much become a classic now. And it's been on the runways for this season too, so hey. But it's modernised a bit and it's got more vitality than when it came out before. And that's what I'm going to show you. Easy ways to build it into your wardrobe in a bright and cheery way to cheer you up and everyone who sees you as well. So my first way of doing it is to pop a sweater over a t-shirt and jeans. The way this look works best, and the way celebrities are wearing it too at the moment, is to throw a sweater over thinner layers, not bulky thick layers. And I think it looks much chicer like this. And another key thing is to choose a sweater that contrasts but kind of gels with what it's being thrown over. So as you can see in my first look here, the base of this look is this lovely striped t-shirt from Boden, the same one that I'm wearing now. It's in such spring-like colours. It's so beautiful, so cute, and it's a cute little Breton, of course, but with a difference. And I love how versatile all these colours make this top. You know, you can put it with so many different things. So in this case, I've chosen a pair of wide-ish leg blue jeans. These are from Nobody's Child, very classic yet modern at the same time. And I think just perfect for spring. I love this wash as well. And of course, these two items look lovely on their own, but I think what really makes this look and makes it look much more standout is the yellow sweater over the shoulders. And this is the perfect example of how a bright sweater thrown over a simple base of a t-shirt and jeans, for example, instantly elevates it and creates upbeat vibrancy to the whole look, basically. Now this one is lemon colour, absolutely gorgeous, and it comes in soft lilac as well from Marks & Spencer's. I think it was less than £30 as well. And this technique is also perfect for my second way of wearing it, which is add interest to a classic white shirt outfit. As you can see, this technique is a great way to introduce colour to your look in a more understated way too, especially if you don't want to exactly throw yourself headlong into bright colours all over, you know. It just adds a touch, which also adds a lot of life and vibrancy, especially when you wear it round the face like this. It also adds some real style to a simple button-up shirt and a pair of trousers. I mean, you could just stop at those two pieces, of course. They're always classy, always on trend, but it's so simple to easily elevate the whole look by adding a bright coloured sweater. Not only does it give it a dash of colour, but also somehow adds to the classiness and the kind of chic air of the outfit. Now I've used the same yellow sweater as in the last look, and I think it shows how useful a piece like this can be. And you know, this is a really practical idea too. In spring especially, you know, I don't know if it's like that where you are, but here you never know if it's going to feel especially cool or a bit warmer. Maybe it's windy, it can change. So you can keep your shoulders warm and your neck without feeling over hot by wearing a sweater. But of course, you can actually wear it if you do get chilly. You can also add a bright sweater to any outfit for an easy, elegant vibe, as in my look 3. So as you can see here, it's not spring, it's not summer, but it's kind of a perfect mix. So if you want to add some pizzazz to a basic top and trousers, you know, this is a great option. And as you can see here, I've thrown on a gorgeous green sweater. Again, it's from Marks & Spencer's, sadly out of stock, but this one that I'm showing you here is a beautiful alternative. And if anything, a more spring-like colour, kind of fresh and kind of moss-like. I'll link everything below, of course. I've just added accents in black, but I think tan would also work well with this outfit. But I just felt that black and green with the ivory base just grounded the look, you know, slightly into kind of spring rather than deepest summer. Now, another way that you can use this technique is my number 4 way, which is break up a neutrals outfit with stripes, always one of my favorites. So if you like a muted neutrals look, but want a bit of life and brightness occasionally, adding stripes is a really great way to do this without, overdoing colour if you're not really into bright colour. It means that you can wear your favourite neutrals, and of course in this case navy, but in a slightly different way. Now, by teaming navy with navy in this look, these trousers are from Lily Silk, absolutely stunning, and the top is an old one, shop my closet from Ralph Lauren. But with these beautiful trousers in the top, all navy, it means you can get all the benefits of a dark, slimming and elongating outfit, which makes you look taller and slimmer as it's monochrome all the way down. But also the touch of stripes just adds lift and a lighter colour near to the face, which is flattering. Best of all worlds. Now, I think that navy, for me anyway, it kind of signals the coming of summer somehow. Or is that just me? Maybe it's because I think of the sea, but I love to start wearing navy at this time of the year because, it really feels like we've finally said goodbye to winter. So what colours would signal the start of summer or even spring for you ladies? I'd love for you to share your ideas. Always comment, always. It's so lovely to hear from you. So do drop that comment in the box. Anyway, if you love your neutrals, you could also do it a different way and break up a neutrals outfit with a little touch of colour. Now you can see here that I'm using one of my favourite pieces at the moment, this cobalt blue, or I think they call it cerulean blue. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous cardigan from Bodum. It's so bright and cheerful. It's actually a cardigan, of course, which works just as well as a sweater. In fact, if you don't want to use a sweater on your shoulders, use a cardigan or a sweatshirt would work equally well. It doesn't have to be a sweater. It's just the effect that we're sort of looking for. Now, this cardigan is cashmere, but Bodum also have a cotton version, which is absolutely perfect for spring into summer. It's called the Amelia Cotton Crew cardigan, and it's got a range of lots of different beautiful colours as well. Or if you wanted a different blue shade, very, very soft, this sweater here, this bright blue from And Other Stories, also comes in about 12 colours. Again, it's very reasonably priced. This is such a good thing about this way of dressing. It's practical, it keeps us warm around the neck and the shoulders, easy to throw on, and can be done with pieces from your own wardrobe or inexpensive pieces, and it creates such a lovely, stylish effect. Now, I wore this cardigan, this cerulean blue cardigan, in my recent video on 7 ways to style a cardigan because I love it so much and it's just so useful. But I think with this tan neutrals outfit, very simple to put together, the bright blue not only adds some life rather than just being tan, but also is very slightly unexpected and makes a nice bit of a statement. And of course, as we head into summer and warmer weather, we can still use this sort of technique. So my 6th way of wearing it is drape a sweater when it warms up too. This is a fabulous dress in sort of olivey green colour from Nobody's Child, purchased in the sale very cheaply. Now, I adore the colour, but sadly it's now out of stock. But if you haven't tried Nobody's Child before, do have a look, as they have some truly beautiful, flattering, classic dresses that I think are perfect. Jazzy enough for us to feel gorgeous, but not too young, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I just wanted to show you here that this technique can take us right into summer too. When you go out in the evenings, for example, even in hotter weather, might chill down a little bit in the evening, so we might need a little something around the shoulders. So I think this is ideal and so easy. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please do give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'd love to have you join our community. We have a fabulous channel here, a fabulous community, and if you want to join my community even more, I'm just launching a newsletter. So do drop down into the bit underneath the video and have a look at the link for that. It's my newsletter. The first one is going out as you're watching this, probably will already be out. So do subscribe to that. Lots of other things, lots of getting to know me better, lots of styling tips. So I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, ladies. Lots of love to you all, and see you in a few days. Bye.